I never get tired of salad, and today we're going to do a green salad with raspberries. So I'm going to get started with the dressing. First of all, I'm going to use 1.5 tablespoons of olive oil. This is really simple, we're just going to mix them together. 1.5 teaspoons of, I've got red wine vinegar, you can use a different flavor. A small amount of Dijon mustard, let's see if I can even get it in here. It's about 1/4 of a teaspoon, so most of it looks like it's still on the spoon. Then 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt and 1/8 of a teaspoon of black pepper. Just simply going to whisk those together. It's a small amount of dressing, so if you find you're a person who likes a lot of dressing, you may want to double this recipe because we're going to put this over 5 cups of greens. So it doesn't take long to whisk together that amount. And put that over the greens. And I'm using mixed spring greens. You could use spinach, you could use whatever kind of greens that you've got coming off on the garden at that time. Blend those together or toss them together enough that you get the greens fairly well coated. Now there's a couple of other ingredients that are going to go in here that some people would add at this point. My experience with adding those kinds of things is that when I'm tossing, they end up at the bottom. So I tend, unless I'm serving this salad in mass, but if I'm doing individual servings, then I'll add those to the top of it later. So this is going to make about 4 servings. So we're going to put some on a plate, and then we're going to top it with some raspberries. I've got a cup of raspberries here. So just kind of make them look pretty on top of it. I like raspberries and other fruits in salads because so many of us think it's a salad, it has to be a tomato, and that's so not true. Whatever fruit you have in season almost always tastes awesome on fresh salads in the summertime. Got a little bit of blue cheese I'm adding here, and a little bit of toasted pecans. And that's all there is to it. Goes together very, very quickly, looks great, tastes awesome. What more can you ask from salad? I hope you'll give this a try. It's green salad with raspberries. For Oklahoma Gardening, I'm Barbara Brown.
We hope you enjoyed this video. It's part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on our OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.